Kozlowski showed up to court alone again today. Now his trial will no longer begin on Monday, and the judge said that if he does not want to represent himself, then he will need to find a lawyer within 2 weeks. Tomas Kozlowski is still currently representing himself in court, walking in alone. Weeks earlier, his entire legal team quit during a hearing after he accused them of fraud and forgery along with other issues. In his hearing this morning, he told the judge he does not want to represent himself during his trial and that he has interviewed 2 lawyers but does not want either of them representing him.
I think it's pretty important that I get the right lawyer, don't you?
All right, so when are you going to have a lawyer?
I don't know.
The plastic surgeon is accused of killing Pinellas County lawyer Stephen Causey in Causey's bathroom at his Largo office in 2023. Investigators believe Kozlowski took the body out of the office and later dumped the body, which hasn't been found. The 2 men were involved in a medical billing dispute at the time. Causey was representing one of the defendants against a lawsuit which Kozlowski filed. If convicted, he is facing the death penalty. Amidst the back and forth of who will represent the doctor, the state says they are ready to take this case to trial.
We've been ready to try this case since April of 2023, Your Honor. Subpoenas were issued last year.
The state says they believe the trial will last around 6 weeks and that they have more than 50 witnesses to call. Since Kozlowski does not want to represent himself, the judge says 2 weeks is plenty of time for him to get new representation.
Obviously, I'm giving you plenty of time to retain a lawyer, but we're not going to go on forever with this because we're not going to have the case just going absolutely nowhere. We have to move things along, and we're almost done. We're almost at the finish line.
The hearing wrapped up with the judge saying if Kozlowski is not making a good faith effort to get a new lawyer, he will appoint one for him. Since the judge granted the motion for a continuance, the new pretrial hearing date will be on May 28th at 8:30 in the morning. In Pinellas County, I'm Alessandra Young, 8 on your side.